Hello everyone. So today I'm sharing you one app using recording, tutorial or editing. It's called Loom. So what is Loom? Loom is a popular asynchronous video communication tool used to record screen, camera and microphones simultaneously to create shareable video message. So you can download it or you register for freewith.com, and you have a maximum 5 minutes to record a video. Actually, meron ka lang 25 videos free. And if you want to need a more time to record or more video to record, so pwede kang mag-subscribe for happy. So, if you start a video recorded, just click the start recording. Camera, screen, and audio. So, for screen, they have record audio, record camera. So, turn on camera to add a personal touch to your recording. So, audio, send a quick audio message, tap start recording.